The Souyou AHT73514301 refrigerator glass shelf is a perfect fit. It is compatible with several LG refrigerator models. These include LTCS20220B, LTCS20220s, LTCS20030s, and LTCS20020B. Furthermore, it directly replaces original parts like 2,659,431, AP5,676,688, and PS7,788,910. This LG fridge shelf AHT73514301 replacement is a game changer. It offers a clear, stable surface. Think of it as a calm, clear lake. It holds your groceries securely. Also, installation is truly simple. You just slide it into place. Therefore, organizing your fridge becomes effortless. Indeed, it feels like an instant upgrade. This shelf truly restores your fridge's functionality. It's a reliable solution. Moreover, this LG fridge shelf AHT73514301 replacement is built to last. Its sturdy glass construction resists spills. Similarly, it withstands daily wear and tear. No more sagging shelves. It's like a strong bridge for your food. You can confidently store heavier items thus. Milk jugs and soda bottles pose no problem. Even so, it cleans up very easily. A quick wipe removes any mess. Consequently, your fridge stays sparkling. This shelf truly brightens your refrigerator's interior. It also improves visibility. Furthermore, finding items becomes much simpler. Hence, less food waste occurs. It's a practical investment. Ultimately, choosing the Souyou AHT73514301 shelf is a smart move. This LG fridge shelf AHT73514301 replacement brings life back to your appliance. It's a key component. Think of it as the heart of your fridge. It organizes everything. Likewise, it provides ample storage space. Moreover, it saves you money. Replacing the entire fridge is unnecessary. Instead, just swap out the shelf. Therefore, it's a cost-effective repair. It truly feels like a new fridge. Overall, this replacement shelf is highly recommended. It offers excellent value and performance. Pros: perfect, great seller, exactly what I needed, packaged well, fast shipping, thank you. Cons: Alexa can be pushy with pop-ups, sound quality isn't always great, laggy performance, slow menus, displays ads on the screen, difficulty finding recipes with its browser features. Glass shelf, shelf assembly, refrigerator compatible, for LG refrigerator, fits LTCS20220B, fits LTCS20220S, fits LTCS20030S, fits LTCS20020B, replaces 2,659,431, replaces AP5,676,688. The Souyou AHT73514301 refrigerator glass shelf is a replacement part for several LG refrigerator models, including the LTCS20220B, LTCS20220s, LTCS20030s, and LTCS20020B. This shelf assembly can be used to replace original parts with numbers like 2,659,431, AP5,676,688, and PS7,788,910. It's a simple way to replace a broken or missing glass shelf in your LG refrigerator. This product is a Souyou AHT73514301 refrigerator glass shelf that fits several LG refrigerator models. Customers found it to be exactly what they needed, noting it was packaged well and had fast shipping. While the shelf itself received positive feedback, some users experienced issues with their Alexa device, mentioning pushy pop-ups, poor sound quality, laggy performance, and ads on the screen. They also had difficulty finding recipes using the browser.